everyone! Welcome back to another episode of Global Hustle, where we dive into how people make a living around the world. Today, I'm taking you on a whirlwind tour of unique jobs and fascinating ways people earn their daily bread in different corners of the globe. Ready? Let's go. First stop, Japan. Picture this: Tokyo's bustling streets filled with neon lights and people in a hurry. Here you'll find professional pushers, or oshiya. These folks are employed to push people into crowded trains during rush hour. Crazy, right? Next, let's head over to Kenya. In the Masai Mara, you'll meet some of the world's best herders. These skilled individuals tend to cattle, goats, and sheep, navigating vast landscapes and protecting their livestock from predators. It's a tough job, but it's a way of life deeply intertwined with their culture. Now buckle up because we're flying to Italy. In the charming city of Venice, gondoliers are a common sight. These expert rowers navigate the canals, offering romantic rides and sharing stories with tourists. Becoming a gondolier isn't easy. It requires rigorous training and a deep knowledge of Venice's waterways. Let's make a quick stop in India. In Mumbai, the Dabbawalas are a legendary workforce. These lunchbox delivery men pick up homemade meals from homes and deliver them to office workers across the city with an error rate of almost zero. Talk about precision. Onward to Brazil. In the heart of the Amazon, rubber tappers extract latex from rubber trees. This traditional practice has been passed down through generations and offers a vital source of income for many families in the region. Next, we're traveling to Sweden. Here you'll find the unique job of ice hotel workers. Every winter, they construct hotels entirely from ice and snow, crafting intricate designs and sculptures. It's a seasonal job that requires creativity and resilience against the cold. Over in the Philippines, we have the jeepney drivers. These colorful and elaborately decorated vehicles are a popular mode of public transport. Drivers navigate through busy streets, ensuring passengers get to their destinations safely. It's a vibrant and essential part of daily life. In Australia, let's not forget the pearl divers. These daring individuals dive deep into the ocean to collect oysters filled with precious pearls. It's a risky job, but one that can be quite rewarding. Last stop, let's visit Canada. In the Great White North, lumberjacks work tirelessly to chop down trees and prepare timber. This physically demanding job is vital to the country's economy and has a rich history. So there you have it. From train pushers in Japan to pearl divers in Australia, people around the world have found incredible and diverse ways to make a living. Next time you travel, take a moment to appreciate the unique jobs and hardworking individuals that keep each country running. If you enjoyed this journey, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more Global Hustle adventures. Until next time, safe travels.